Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by my TOC Town Express channel. I just wanted to share with you a Patreon preview for 2018. These are the materials that I'm going to be producing, the behind the scenes, the updates, the director's guide to how I created TOCtown.com. So if you're interested in many of my layouts, a lot of my illustrations, and the thoughts behind why, when, and what I created in order to benefit small business owners, go ahead and sign into my Patreon account, which is patreon.com/TOCtown.com. Once again, thanks so much for stopping by my channel and being interested in supporting us as a Patreon to our Artisan Admin Retreat Center. Take care.